Welcome to India's easiest billing and business management software for small businesses, retailers, wholesalers, distributors, freelancers, and service providers. Grow your business with us. Create beautiful sale invoices. Share this professional GST invoice with your client using this best easy to use GST billing software. Also, you can add your business logo on your invoices to look more professional. You can easily make quotation and convert into sale invoice. This feature save your time and create good impression of your business on your customer with professional estimates. Also, you can easily manage your sale returns. Also, you can easily create and convert sale invoices into delivery challan. Also, our software manage your payment in and payment out. Our software allows you to keep record of your purchases and manage your inventory. You can also add item barcode or serial number while entering purchase bill. With the help of our software, you can easily make purchase order and convert into purchase bill. This feature save your time. Also, you can easily manage your purchase returns. With WOOC billing software, you can easily manage your stock. You can see your stock status, get low stock alerts, and get detailed information about your inventory. Also, you can check your fast moving items and items that are not moving. Our software helps in managing client accounts and keeps track of payments, adjustments, and sales. It allows you to set credit of customer. Client payment mode like cash, check, bank transfer, and mobile wallet payments can be added easily. Also, you can easily manage your expenses. You can easily manage salary of your employees. You can easily check advance salary, reports, and staff details. With Wook software, you easily check your business growth. Wook reports that include analyzed your business trends, with sales and purchase, stock values, expenses, payment in, payment out, late paying customers, and other trends. If GST is applicable to your business, Wook billing software made your work simpler and faster. Wook generate GST tax reports with respect to the goods and service tax laws. Our software is capable of generating barcode easily in multiple sizes, and all plug-and-play barcode scanners and devices are supported for faster billing. Our software provides you GST calculator, reminder, and easiest way to back up your data. Also, it works for multi-firms. Download 30 days free trial of Wook GST billing and business management software. For more details, go to www.wooksoft.com.